Our subject is Fine Art. I'm your Fine Art teacher, Grade 3, topic name, Part 2. Hope you have finished your name with outline very nicely. Now you can take your any favorite color and start your first alphabet. You are going to hold your color in vertical position perfectly and give the standing strokes. You can see this is the way you are going, zig zag, zig zag. Same way I am doing this side also. Now it's a task you are not going to go inside your bubble. You have to keep white space inside. Keep the white space distance. Again zig zag, zig zag. Up and down. Again you are merging with the same dark color. So one color should be dark, one color should be light. So choose your color perfectly for your strokes. The first letter I am going to use a dark purple and light purple. It's a dark violet and light violet. Now for my A, I am going to use maroon and pink. The same way I will go. With the shape of A, parallel lines. And continue, will go down and you will go parallel like this way, both the sides together. For the S, I am going to use dark blue and light blue. Again I repeat, for each letter different color as per your choice, but one color should be dark and one color should be light. Go parallel to your shape. Zigzag, zigzag. I'm going to use a lemon yellow and deep yellow for my edge. Every time the dark color for the top and light color the second part. Hope you understand the zigzag strokes, vertical strokes. It's not a sleeping line, it's like a grass effect. You can able to see how I'm moving my hand. And same way it's parallel, continue. Right? So you will get idea of how the two parts you will go together. Here I am going to use dark green and light green. You can use dark green and emerald green. You can use Persian green and emerald green. You can use olive green and leaf green. All three lines parallel, which will go together, and the zigzag strokes. I'm going to use red and orange. I'll start with the red. Orange, zigzag. Move your hand perfectly, but keep in your mind you're not going to go in small polka dots bubbles. Continue. Oh, my name is so big. Now my all bright colors are over. It's okay. But you can use a brown and sandy brown. Brown and sandy brown. It's ochre yellow, or you can use sandy brown. Now for the last letter, I will use dark grey and light grey. Students, see, I am not use the black color, so try to avoid to use the black color. Dark grey and light grey. Hope you understood perfectly. Again I repeat, you have to write your own name, the first letter capital, rest small. Please outline with the marker sketch pen. After sketch pen's outline, do the nice bubbles. After doing the nice bubbles inside, choose your favorite color. Try to do each letter different color. Standing stroke, mix the color, alternate, dark and light, and complete your assignment. Hope you will do very nicely. Have a great day. Have a nice day. Thank you.